Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be filming a fall glam makeup tutorial since fall is approaching. It's like a nice fall glam makeup tutorial, so if you guys are interested in seeing this video, just be sure to keep on watching. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm having a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers, so that is in like less than 50 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button and also make sure that your post notifications are turned on. So to start off, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony, and I'm just going to, at first, brush out my brow hairs because they're all sparse and raggedy looking. They need to be nice and perfect for this freaking filling in. So after I'm done with that, I'm taking this angled e.l.f. Eyebrow brush, and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with that. Next, I'm taking my P.Louise base in the shade Rumor 2, and this is my second time using this base. I did use it in one of my previous looks on Instagram. It's my Rainbow Cloud look. I used that for that, and this is a very good base. So like pretty much all you do is like pat it into the lid, like what I'm doing right now. And then once it's patted into the skin, I'm taking my beauty sponge and I'm just going to blend it out so it's nice and more seamless. Next up, I'm taking my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm taking that burnt reddish shade in the palette, and this is going to be my crease color, my transition color. So I'm just going to pat that into the crease and then just blend upwards. Next up, I'm taking my Morphe Bronzed Mocha palette, and I'm taking that like darkish purpley shade, and I'm just going to pack that into my crease for my second transition, and I'm just pretty much just packing it into the lid and then blending just like I did for my first transition color. Now I'm going to take that purplish burgundy shade, and I'm just going to apply that with my fingers to my outer corner and then blend that with my Vasanti brush. Going back to the P.Louise base, I'm going to cut my crease with this, so I'm just taking a little bit, applying it to my lid, looking up, and then that creates a little guideline to cut the crease if you didn't know that. If you're new here, that's a nice trick to cutting your crease. And then I'm going to take my Makeup Shack T72 brush to just make things more precise, clean things up, and make things nice and sharp. Now I'm going in with that golden shade in the Masquerade palette, and I'm just going to pop that into the inner part of my cut crease. And this is just going to this is going to be my base color for the glitter later on. And then I'm doing the same thing with the Bronze Mocha palette, taking that brown shade and applying that right next to the gold. And like I said, this is just going to be like a nice base for the glitter later on in this look. Time for the glitter. So that was so cringy. Anyways, I'm taking the NYX glitter glue, and I'm just going to apply that to the areas where I applied the shimmer, and this is just pretty much the base for the glitter. So I'm just applying that with this lipstick applicator. Now I'm taking my Baddie Cosmetics glow glitter, and this is just a nice golden fine glitter, and I'm just going to apply that with the same lipstick brush and just pack that onto where I applied the shimmer colors. Now I'm taking my Luxe Glam Cosmetics orangey coppery glitter, and I'm just going to apply that right next to the gold, and I'm making sure things are nice and blended, so I'm just going to overlap the gold over the orange just to make things nice and seamless. And going in with my Morphe palette, I'm taking that champagne shade and popping that into my inner corners, and then after that I'm going to take my NYX matte liner, and I'm going to make a smoked outliner. So I'm just going to like start off small and then gradually like build it up to make it nice and smoked out looking. Now I'm going into my Urban Decay shadow box. I'm taking that black shade, and I'm just going to kind of like set the eyeliner just to make it nice and mattified, and then I'm going to like smoke it out, like start moving my brush back and forth to like give it that smoked out effect. And then I'm like going side to side, and then I'm moving it upwards so it's nice and smoky. Moving on to face, I'm taking my Smashbox Photofinish primer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face just to ensure that my face is nice and prepped and primed. And then I'm taking the NYX pore filler, and then I'm just going to apply that to my T-zone because I get the most pores in that area, especially my nose, man. Now I'm taking my NYX Prime Spray, and I'm just going to spray my face with this spray. And this is just extra, you know, prep and prime, just to make sure that my face is nice and moisturized and ready to go for my foundation. Alrighty, time for foundation. So I'm taking my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 390, and I'm just going to apply that with my Beauty Bakery Blending Egg. And this is kind of like a first impression low-key because I never tried Fenty foundation. This is my very first time, and honestly, looking at it, I really do like it. It's full coverage, it's nice and mattifying. It's just a very good foundation. Like, I really do recommend it. Like, yes, it's worth the hype. I do really like this foundation. Now I'm taking this concealer brush and a little bit of the Fenty foundation, and I'm just going to clean up my shadow and just make it nice and precise. And that's pretty much all I'm doing there. And then I'm just going to take my Beauty Bakery blending sponge and I'm just going to blend that all out. For concealer, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and pretty much I'm just going to highlight underneath my eyes, down my nose, on my chin, and on my forehead. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking a clean Beauty Bakery blending egg and then blend that all out. I'm going to be setting all that into place with my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm just going to take my sponge and just pack that and press that into my skin, and this is just going to give me a nice flawless finish. I'm taking my Loreal True Match powder and Cool Deep, and I'm just going to set the rest of my face with this, and this is just going to give my face a nice bronzed warm look, perfect for the season. And by the way, this is the Makeup Addiction blush brush, and this is just going to make my face just melt together and give it that nice flawless finish. Now to set everything in place, I'm taking my favorite all-nighter setting spray by Urban Decay, and I'm just going to spray that all over my face. For highlight, I'm going back into the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm going to be mixing the two shades Dahlia and Casablanca together, and I'm just going to highlight my face with those two shades. And guys, I'm telling you, this gives me the most perfect highlight ever. I love using Juvia's Place palettes for highlight because it's just an alternative for regular highlight compacts, just in my opinion. And then for my lower lash line, I'm going in with that black shade from the shadow box. And then I'm taking my Morphe, that maroon burgundy shade, and applying that right after that. Alright, for the final step, which is lips, I'm going to go ahead and take my ColourPop Lippy Sticks in the shade Dukes, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. This is like the perfect fall shade ever. Love it. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers, guys. Oh my gosh, 1,000 subscribers. That is what I'm trying to get right now. I can't believe, like, I'm so close to hitting that 1,000 like subscriber milestone. Like, I cannot believe it. So guys, just please subscribe to my channel. I remember I'm having a giveaway once I hit 1,000, so give me to 1,000 subscribers and the giveaway will be right there. So just subscribe. Make sure you have that notification bell turned turned on. That way you're notified every last time that I upload. Comment down below what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I don't care. Leave some suggestions for some future videos, and I'll be sure to make some videos regarding those suggestions. Also share this video, guys. Please share this video to any platform that you have, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, whatever social media you have. Just share this video. I'd highly appreciate it. So guys, that's all I have to say. Again, like, comment, subscribe, get me to 1,000 subscribers, and remember, I'm having a giveaway, and that's all I have to say. Have a blessed freaking day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys. Oh my god, I am so freaking stupid.